what could I tip you to refund my end? Would I rather be rich in gold or rather be rich in the fire? What if I wake up alone? Maybe I'm sick and tired, or maybe I'm just getting old. Maybe I'm just getting older. I've been in love with someone but terrified of settling. Remember I was young and behaved, but I hurt somebody and I couldn't find a remedy. And I thought that love was like medicine. I remember being 7 years old thinking, oh my God, what's it feel to be 23? Now I'm 29, staring at a kid in the mirror, and all I do is wonder if he's proud of me. Broken promises made me this way, I swear. I wasn't always numb and indifferent. Bartender, I need one shot of whiskey, but what could I tip you to refund my innocence? Cause I don't wanna be rich in gold, I'd rather be rich in the fire. I don't wanna wake up alone. Maybe I'm sick and tired, or maybe I'm just getting I'd rather have you Maybe I'm just kidding. They say the older you get, or the wiser you are. I should be wiser by far, but I feel more like a child now. Ooh. Heaven knows I'm a mess. Ooh, but there's still some time to build us a sentence inside of this hourglass. And I hope that it's with you when I say, bartender, one shot of whiskey, 2 shots of pain, and a dash of some memory.
Am I too high? Yes, like you make me itch, crawling in my skin. Always smell like death. Am I too high? Yes, like you make me itch, crawling in my skin. Don't know where I'm from, don't know where I've been. I got connections like Verizon. I start a ride, it run up, don't try it. I got my 9. Are you ready to die, kid? I get so high and I'm flying. You know that I'm never lying. I'm in a whole nother world, trying to plot and plan how I'ma take over the world. First things first, I pop a pill. After that, I crack a seal. Then I go raw dog your hoe. Kids don't try that shit at home. I forgot how sober feel. Life been getting super real. Leave me alone, I'm in my zone. She do white like Home Alone. Always smell like death. Am I too high? Yes, like you make me itch, crawling in my skin. Always smell like death. Am I too high? Yes, like you make me itch, crawling in my skin.
Guard on a demon, I'm brave and I'm bold. Pop out with a diva, she model for Vogue. Might pick her up for that bitch out of control. Might bust on her face, might come on her nose. If she good, I might ice out her fingers and toes. No drama to kill, I clear the road. Better stay in your lane or we spin like a wheel. From the trenches, little bitch, keep a fire in the hill. Better humble yourself or you die with the mill. And the cookie could crumble your life is still. Red flag like I'm a nice nil. Pop out at the party, the ops say I yield. If you diss on the game, then we fighting in here. You up, pipe, then you dying in here. Big dog bitch like a titan in here. 999 started rioting here.
First things first, I I pop a pill. After that, I crack a seal. Then I go raw dog your hoe. Kids don't try that shit at home. I forgot how sober feel. Life ain't getting super real. Leave me alone, I'm in my zone. She do white like Home Alone. Molly smell like Deriv. Am I too high? Yes. Perky make me itch. Crawling in my skin. Molly smell like Deriv. Am I too high? Yes. Perky make me itch. Crawling in my skin.